Then it was time to make papier mache clay. I first got half a cup of wet toilet paper. To measure half a cup, I placed toilet paper into water, then placed it back into cup and pressed all excess water. As soon as I reached half a cup, I placed all the paper back into water. Then I stirred paper and waited till it broke down into pulp. Next, I drained all water through a strainer and placed paper pulp back into the bowl, removing all the excess water. Make sure to not remove too much water. This is how the paper pulp should look like. It should be still quite moist and break down quite easily. Then I added half a cup of wood glue into my mixture. And 2/3 of a cup of white cement. I then mixed it all very thoroughly, first manually and then using a mixer. Papier mache clay is ready and I started working with it right away.